This is Art Float Riverside. This is the biggest art installation ever created in the city. And it's only here just to inspire you and something fun that they can experience.
20,000 students were actually involved in the painting. Now, mind you, RUSD has only 43,000 kids total, so that's about half our population.
I like how we got to paint citrus colors, and it was really fun to do.
They were excited. They got to walk to Bobby Bonds, they got to select their colors and paint them, and now they're just going to be amazed when they see this in person.
Yeah, I was very surprised to see all these floating balls on the lake.
It's a wonderful example of arts and education coming together.
The work that the students did, and to see it actually live on display out on the lake rather than in an NPR, I mean, it's bigger than I could have imagined.
And the best part of it is that many of the students in RUSD painted these floats.
I love, for sure, anything that has to do with art in our community. And I think certainly something that involves children is amazing.
Looked at our social media analytics, and a couple weeks ago, 1 million people had seen the event.
I think it's beautiful and it's great for Riverside.
It's just visually splendid just to see everything and with the nature and all the artistic contributions that the community and the students have been working on.
And I think what we're doing here is great and innovative and for a good cause to support the arts.
But it is so colorful and adds so much to the park. I think will bring a lot of attention to our city, which is a good thing.
I've been speaking to grandparents from Fontana that came just for this event. So yes, it's bringing a lot of people to the park.
Wow, just look at them. I mean, it's like a fantastic, something that the artist Cristo might have done.
Thanks to Kathy Allavi, the Art Alliance, and Riverside Art Museum, School District, the city, Parks and Rec. We all came together and said, yeah, it's a great idea, let's do it.
Just heard about this back in August. I had no idea it would look as beautiful as it does right now.
This is the heritage of Riverside. When John North advertised for people to come here, he talked about education, he talked about equality, and he talked about arts.
This just takes your expectations and just what the small expectation you may have and just blows it up into something so much more. And so I think that they just absolutely hit it out of the ballpark with this one.